I'm Lifumpa Mwandwe, but you can know me as Fumpa.
Mwandwe! Mwandwe, sgorio!
October 2018 is when I signed my first pro contract. Knowing all that hard work paid off, it was good. Being there, I got more technical as I went along, especially playing with the older lot, because just being quick wouldn't cut it, because you had players there who were quicker than you. So when you're playing with the older lot, you needed to think more up here than just thinking with your feet. COVID hit and we weren't training, and I got told I wasn't getting another contract. On that day, I didn't feel anything. And then I think it hit me a week later and I was like, well, I'm not a footballer right now. A bit of me did think I weren't good enough to play football again. Like, I didn't feel confident in myself. Mum and Dad will tell you. They helped me through that time, because that was probably the time I struggled most mentally, trying to go into it, because I couldn't carry on really, so I needed some time out. I think it made me tougher mentally and better as a player, because it feels like now I've got something to prove and it drives me. With these lot, it's like I'm playing with my mates, but we're all like a unit. You enjoy it, you flourish with it, and especially when like the manager and like all the coaches have belief in you and they let me do what I want to do and they believe in me to do it, even though some coaches might think he's taking risks, like he should have just passed it, lay it off. They think if he pulls it off, it's going to create a chance, which, yeah, makes me happy. It's got to be the playoff final, hasn't it? You know, that was probably the most craziest game I've ever been in, ever. It was like an emotional roller coaster. We were like down 3-2 because Darren Thomas scored. And at that point I was thinking, where do we go from here? All of a sudden, 3-3, we're through on a counter-attack. I play James Davis through, 4-3. Breezy comes on, scores against his former club, 5-3. This was all in the space of what, like 15 minutes. It was probably the best game of football you could watch in that league for that year, that season, and it just rounded up like a good season. It was a crazy 24 hours and the party didn't stop after that, if I'm being honest. I like Demarai Gray a lot. It's very sharp on the ball. The guy's just mentally like, okay, if I miss this one, I'm gonna get another one, I'm gonna get another one, I'm gonna get another one. So like, I think I need to add that mental aspect to my game where I feel like just keep doing it, just keep doing it, just keep doing it, and it'll come off eventually. If there's one thing I love doing, it's probably beating a defender, because, especially early in the game, because if you do it early in the game, they think I've got a long game after that, and you just want to be relentless, just keep running at him, keep running at him. But yeah, it is satisfying. But like contributing towards a goal probably is more satisfying. So right now, I think I'm on 7 assists. I want to try and finish on the most assists by the end of the season, and I'm on 4 goals right now. Try and finish on 10 goals. And then team of the season, of course, and then hopefully young player of the year. So yeah, I want to make that jump back into the pro game. I'd do anything to get back to the top, to be honest with you. I don't know what word I could use to describe it, but you know, I'd put any work in, of course. So by the time we do hit the end of the season, I'll be more polished as a player, and you know, next season, whatever I'm doing, I'm getting better and better. And that just happens when you're playing games, and here I'm playing games, so I'm getting to develop as a player and a person, so I can't really complain.